Yeah, hello guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn money on Achieve app. So this particular app, actually you can use it to make a lot of money on it, and I'm going to be showing you guys all that. So actually for me, if you check my page, I'm not going, like, I will not share something that is not rigid on my page. Anything that is rigid and is working, that I'll share it on my page. I will never share something that is not working on my page. I know how difficult it is to make money nowadays. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end if you want to make money, like you want to make good money. And this one, you don't need a lot of stress. So first of all, I just want to open this one to show you guys what happened. Actually, I deposited to show you guys that it really works. So this was my investment, and I withdraw the money, and this was just the small amount left. And you can see there is actually like increment and other things. You can see the things here, but I top up with 50 Ghana cedis. I just wanted to try the app, try it out before I can send it out. So I top up 50 cedis, and total earnings was 1.74. I think that was within 2 weeks that I got this actual amount, but it's not worth it. But we are not going to be doing this, and I withdraw. You can see total withdrawal. So I withdraw that particular amount, and it was left with that 2 cents. So but we are not going to do that. Let's go back here. So this particular one, we are going to be like, we'll be clicking on the place that they will say that you should help a friend. Like you can say, they will say that you should refer a friend. You can see it's going to enjoy Achieve, refer a friend. So you can see they are saying you should refer a friend to get here. So refer and errors. So this particular place, you can see I've not errors anything, but I'll show you how to get this place, how to get it. But we all benefit from this. So make sure you watch and look at this here. Earn 10 points anytime you refer your friend to Achieve and they make their first payment. So if you want to learn more, you click on it to read. See, Achieve points. Achieve points are earned by referring friends and family to the Achieve app. Make sure they use your referral link to sign up, or enter your username in the how did you hear about Achieve section when signing up. So when you are filling the form, like when you download the app and you are filling the form, it will reach a place where they'll ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? So that's the place that you are going to be put. Like you put your friend referral code, and you and your friend will get 10 points each. So that's what they are explaining here. You and your friend will get 10 points each, and within 30 days you can redeem the points to cash. And that points, each 10 points is equal to 10 cedis. Each 10 points is equal to 10 cedis. And when you didn't use the referral code and you sign up, you're not going to get anything. You're not going to get anything. Like you're not going to benefit anything. You sign up to the account, because I didn't use anybody, so that was why you can see here there is no point and other things. I just created the account. I was doing my research and I come across it, and I just click on it and I fill the form to check out what is happening. But if you want to sign up and get the 10 points to redeem it to 10 cedis, so you can use this particular link, or you just use my name, Betmaster. So when you are filling and you reach a place where they ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? They are going to ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? This particular place, where how do you hear about Achieve? So you can see it here. How did you hear about Achieve? So that particular place, you put Betmaster. So you put from, like, you answer from a friend and they will now be asking for a code, and you put Betmaster. So you can see the spelling down here. You put Betmaster there. You can see that's the spelling. You put it there, So you put it there and you're going to get 10 points, and I'm also going to get 10 points. And you can also use this particular link, the link that you are seeing here. You can also use that particular link and just go to the site and fill the form. And within after 30 days, you can now convert your points to, you can convert your points to that of cash and withdraw it. And let me show you guys what is going to happen. Let me show you the interface of the app. So this is the Achieve app. So if you download, that's how it is going to look. So it is going to look like this. So there's the app. So let's say you are able to get about, let's say 100 people to sign with 10 with that of 10 points. So you multiply that one by 100. So you are going to get 1,000 points. That means you are going to get $1,000. So you can see how simple it is to make money when you understand the process. So guys, make sure you use the code BetterMaster when you are filling out the form. Make sure you use the code BetterMaster when you are filling, and you reach a place that they ask you, how do you hear about Achieve? So you use BetterMaster to put it there to get 10 points, and your friend also get 10 points. And after that, you can redeem it 2 points. And make sure you also invite your friends to join and let them also use your referral code, and you're going to make a lot of money. So guys, share it out, and thank you for watching, and make sure you follow the page so that we can all share what we learn together. So bye bye for now.